Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. If you are watching first time, do subscribe my channel. Please like, share and do comment. Okay, next the solution I am going to explain. Third question, directly here it is there. Given information. First, what is the meaning of this question is area of triangle BEC is equal to the sum of areas of these two triangles. Okay, now given information, now we should find out the area of triangle BEC first of all. Okay, so for that, half into base into height, half into base BC 16 centimeter, and height is AB 8 centimeters. Okay, so you can do the cancellation. 2 4s are 8, 16 4s are 64 centimeter square. So area of BCE we got it 64 centimeter. Now keep it as like that. Now we should find out the individual areas of this small triangle and this triangle. How you can get? First you can find out the area of triangle ABE or BAE. Half into base into height, half into base what we can consider for this small triangle, this is the base AE into AB is the height, so half into AE means 4 centimeter and AB means 8 centimeters. Now you can do the cancellation. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16 centimeter square. Now this area is 16 centimeter square, this area is 64 centimeter square. Now you can find out this triangle. Okay, CDE. Okay, triangle CDE, half into base into height. For this triangle, half into base is ED and DC is the height. This DC is the height. Okay, half into ED length. How you can know this length is not given? No. So based on this information, we can find the ED length. Totally 16 centimeter. From 16 centimeter means this is this is in rectangle form, so opposite sides are equal. So here 16 centimeter means A to D 16 centimeter, but A to G 4 centimeter given. Now from total 16 you can subtract 4 centimeter, then you will get the ED length. That only here see, ED is equal to AD minus AE, that is AD 16, AE is 4 centimeter. If you subtract, you will get the length of ED 12 centimeters. Okay, so here ED 12 and DC already you know, that is the 8 centimeter. See, opposite sides are equal. Now AB 8 centimeter means DC also 8 centimeters. So now you can do the cancellation. 2 1 the 2 6 are 12. Now 6 8s are 48 centimeter square. Now what you will do, this is the area of this triangle 48. Now you can do the sum of these two triangle. Now you can check whether you are getting same area or not, which is equal to this triangle area or not. Now I am doing addition of these two triangles. 16 plus 48, you will get 64. This area is equal to the area of triangle BCE. Okay, so we got it. Next question, Ramu says that area of triangle PQR is half into 7 into 5 centimeter square. Gopi says that it is area of triangle is half into 8 into 5 centimeter square. Who is correct? Why? See here, PQR triangle, this is the base, this is the height. Okay, now this is said by Ramu, and Gopi what he said, area of triangle PQR 8 is the base he took, and height to 5 centimeters he took. Okay, so now you can consider Ramu is correct. Why? Because since area of triangle is half into base into corresponding height, so half into base is 7 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter, but this is height is 5 centimeter is not corresponding to side 8 centimeter. So therefore Gopi is not correct, Ramu only correct. What he said, that area of triangle PQR half into base into height, this is only correct. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.